fields. Ayan na, tumubo na yung rice. Ayan. This is so nice. Bola de agyanan na. That's a morsico. You see that? The white one? Over there. Asa ka mo adto? Nada agyanan dira?
Nakagi mo dira.
Trust me. Trust her. Trust him daw. Okay. This is our agyanan. Way to, I don't know. We're done washing our clothes. Then we're having our strolling over the fields. Dili na lang dong ay. Dili man ta oy. OMG. Na si Liomar. Na Liomar ay. Nana ka nagbarog. I don't know where we're going. We keep on bobbing our heads so that we can pass. I think this is a forest. Oh, there's a lot of kawayan here. Bamboo. Here. Gosh. Oh no! There's a chicken! Oh, chicken. Hanggang po na dili-dapita. Pitasan ko do. I'm catching my breath. You know? We're following the trail. There was Morsico. Muna siya ang Morsico. OMG. Wala siya.